In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to set formation in FIFA World Cup Fantasy. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website of FIFA, provide your credentials and login. Now head over to the section Fantasy and Gaming. Click on Fantasy. Now navigate to the section My Team. This is where you will see your full squad, including your starting 11 and your bench players. By default, your team usually starts in a standard formation like a 4-4-2, but this can change depending on how you arrange your players. Now here's the key part. You don't directly select formations. Instead, you change your formation by making substitutions between players of different positions. To do this, click on a player in your starting 11 and choose the sub out option. Then select a player from your bench to bring into the lineup. As soon as you swap your players with different positions, the system will automatically adjust your formation on the page. For example, if you replace a defender with a midfielder, your setup might shift from 4-4-2 to 3-5-2 or another formation depending on how your squad is structured. This means your formation is fully flexible and depends entirely on the balance of defenders, midfielders, and forwards in your starting 11. Once you have made all your changes, make sure to double check your lineup and confirm everything before the match deadline. Always click Save Team or Confirm Changes so your updated formation is locked in before kickoff. If you don't save your changes in time, your old lineup and formation will still be used for that match day. So that's how formations work in FIFA World Cup Fantasy. And this is how you can change them by adjusting your starting lineup. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.